for spring summer is this amazing backpack. Do you bag babes know? I'm pretty pro backpack, especially if you love like a good hands-free. These are two of the colors that are coming in our new prints and colors, right? We love that. I love that pop of neon green. I did tell you neon green is going to be in it. Let's go ahead and check out the specs of this, all right? First and foremost, let's put this on. When we're talking about how big this is, it's a pretty good regular size backpack, all right? On the exterior, as you can see, personalization would go in the front. On the outside, we have like multi different levels of like color and material here. I love this new, is it like a rubber kind of grip? That's one thing I noticed. With this bag, you get the vented dots here. These are actual holes. You have a front pocket here, which super big, right? Then you have on the sides like a water bottle holder right here, and then also another one. When we look on the back, we have this is very strong padding for comfort, and then they are adjustable straps. One unique feature about this is that you can unclip it. See how that clips? So you can actually carry things. You want to carry your backpack from here to here. Makes things super easy, right? Let's go ahead and open this guy up. On the inside, what do we have? We have a whole bunch of packing air. It does have one major zip up pocket right there that goes till about here. So, oh, actually maybe here. So it's not the entire length of the back, but pretty darn close. Is there anything else I'm missing on the inside? I think that's it. So, new backpack for the season.